Hey everyone, I am Christy. I need to take my cold plunge, so I'm about to step outside and do that. It is 101 degrees outside. It's hot, so this will be a nice cooling experience. I have some other stuff I wanted to get done outside. I need to put some plants in the ground. I need to grill, but I don't know if that's a good idea if it's 101 degrees outside. Also, look at my new hat. Anyway, first things first, let's take a cold plunge. I'm in. Woo! This is cold plunge 184 for the year. I was feeling some anxiety, so I've been looking forward to this. The breath work that I'm almost forced to do helps with the anxiety a lot. Our ice. Feels very cold today. But again, I needed this. Sitting here has helped me reflect on my day and realize that I've had a lot of caffeine, which is probably a source of the anxiety I'm feeling. And I've been studying along with working today, so my brain has been quite full and I haven't given myself the chance to pause and take a break. That's what this is. At 5 minutes, I am done. Thank you for watching my cold plunge today. This is number 184. I do take cold plunges every single day. I'm gonna go stand in the sun, put my feet in the grass, take some more deep breaths, and then gotta love when the phone runs out of storage. Now it's been like 6 minutes. I'm getting out. I'll be back tomorrow for another one, and I will see you then. Bye.